Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. Today I am here with a very healthy and tasty South Indian recipe that is known as egg avial or motta avial. So let's get started. As the name indicates, we require 4 boiled eggs, 2 medium-sized sliced onions, 4 to 5 green chilies, 1 medium-sized potato, 1 large-sized carrot sliced longitudinally, few curry leaves and 2 medium-sized tomato. Here I have taken 1 large and 1 small. As it is a South Indian recipe, for making the gravy I require half a coconut, some shallots, you can take onion also, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now take a pan or kadhai, add about 2 tablespoons of oil, you can even take coconut oil, add in half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it splutters, you can add the sliced onions, saute it well. Now add the green chilies, curry leaves, mix it. You can add some salt taste, about half a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix it. Now add the remaining veggies, sliced potatoes and carrots you can add. This is completely optional. If you don't want to add, you can skip it and add some water, about half a cup. Now close the lid and let the veggies cook for 2 minutes. Now for making the gravy, we have to grate the fresh coconut. So before grating the coconut, I will show you my new coconut scraper. It is very handy, simple and easy to use. You can place it anywhere on your kitchen platform. You don't have to fix it anywhere. Generally coconut scrapers, we have to fix it on the platform with the help of some screw. Here no need to fix it, just you can place it on the platform, press it against your body and you can scrape the coconut very easily. Now if you don't have a coconut scraper, no worries. With the help of a knife, you can cut the coconut into small pieces, remove the darker part of the skin and just grind it in a chutney jar. You will get the gravy. So our freshly grated coconut is ready for use. Transfer it into a mixer grinder or chutney jar. Add in the onions, cumin seeds or jeera and grind it into a coarse paste by adding little water. If you are a South Indian, you might be knowing how we grind it for making the avial. The same way we have to grind this coconut into a coarse paste. Just remember, the paste should not be very fine. Now we will slice the tomatoes into elongated shape. Generally while making avial, whether it is vegetable avial or egg avial, we generally cut all the veggies, onions, etc. in elongated shape. The same procedure we have to follow here. The tomatoes also we have to slice it longitudinally. Now after 2-3 minutes, let's check the veggies. They have perfectly done. Water has also been drained out. Now add in the sliced tomatoes, saute it well. Cook the tomatoes until it becomes smooth and rawness is gone. Close it with a lid for 2 minutes. By the time we will slice the eggs longitudinally. Boiled eggs are highly nutritious and rich source of protein. Now we will check out the tomatoes. They have become very soft. Now add in the coconut paste into this vegetable mixture. You can add about half a glass of water in the chutney grinder and add this water into the gravy. Mix it well. Add in some salt at this stage. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Now the last step is adding the sliced eggs. Once we add the eggs, be gentle with the gravy. Just press it against the spatula so that the eggs get submerged into the gravy. Close it with a lid and just let it boil for 2 minutes on a very low flame. Consuming egg avial at least twice a week gives all the essential nutrients needed for our body. Now the final touch is adding some chopped coriander leaves. This gives a very good flavor to this recipe, so don't skip it. Now our egg avial is totally ready to be served with hot chapatis, parathas or even rice. So definitely give it a try, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.